In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send email campaigns using Activecampaign, a powerful tool for marketing automation. This process might sound a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, I'll guide you through each step to make it as straightforward as possible. We'll cover everything from logging in to selecting your contacts and finally sending your campaign. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the confidence to execute your own email campaigns with ease. To begin, open up your web browser and navigate to the Activecampaign website. This platform allows businesses of all sizes to reach out to their audience in a personalized and efficient manner. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your account name. It's important to note that your account name is not your email address or password. If you're unsure what this is, check your registration email from when you first signed up. After entering your account name, proceed by clicking the Login button. If everything is correct, you'll be directed to your Activecampaign dashboard. Now that you're logged in, let's move on to managing your contacts. Take a look at the top menu where you'll find a tab labeled Contacts. Click on that tab to view your current subscriber list. This section is crucial as it holds all the information about the people you plan to target with your campaign. Once you're there, browse through your list and select the specific contacts you wish to include in this campaign. With your contacts selected, the next step is to initiate the campaign. Find the option labeled Send a Campaign and click on it. This will take you to the campaign selection page. Here you'll see a variety of pre-designed templates and past campaigns you might have used. If you already have a campaign ready to go, just click on Select a Campaign and choose the one you want to deploy. If not, you might consider taking some time to craft a compelling message that will resonate with your audience. Finally, you've arrived at the most exciting part, sending your campaign. After selecting the appropriate campaign, you'll notice a Send button. Before clicking it, double check all your settings, the content of your email, and your list of recipients. Ensuring everything is correct will make a significant difference in the success of your campaign. Once you're confident, go ahead and click Send. And there you have it, you've just sent out an email campaign with Activecampaign. This platform provides a robust set of tools to help you track and analyze your campaign's performance, so be sure to revisit your dashboard to see how your email was received. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.